Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the essentials: iPhone with iOS 17 or later and a compatible CarPlay receiver. Make sure your phone is unlocked and connected. Tap the Settings app on the CarPlay screen to access display options. Once in Settings, look for Wallpaper or Customize Appearance. This is the only official path to change the background image. Start by choosing Wallpaper and then select Add New or Pick from Apple's gallery so you can preview before applying. Now choose an image. You can pick from Apple's gallery or select a photo from your iPhone synced to CarPlay. Use the crop and position tools to match CarPlay's wide aspect ratio, otherwise the image will be zoomed or letterboxed. Adjust brightness and contrast if the interface offers edits, because visibility matters while driving. Once satisfied, tap Preview to see home and app screens. Make sure icons remain legible and the clock and widgets are visible. Tap Set or Apply to make the new wallpaper active. The change should appear immediately across CarPlay screens. If it doesn't update, disconnect and reconnect your iPhone or restart the head unit and the phone. Make sure both iOS and your car's firmware are up to date, since version mismatches can block features. If problems persist, revert to a default wallpaper and retry the process to isolate whether the image file or device compatibility caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.